Okay, basic hip stretches. Hold them for about 20 to 30 seconds. And just remember that this is work. So you want to push into each stretch, get a little uncomfortable. Start out basic to the toes. Sit up nice and tall, pressing your rib cage towards your upper thigh. Sit bone is back and away, really pushing that rib cage down. And then fold through. Release, straddle. Okay, down to center. Release, up and over to the left. So you want to create space between your rib cage and your hip bone. Now both hands down, again, pushing that rib cage towards the thigh. And you've got both arms incorporated in the stretch so that you're stretching through the trunk and the shoulder girdle as well. Opposite side, up and over. Eventually you're gonna get to where you can grab that toe, really stretching through the trunk. And then down. Bring it up, butterfly. Sit up nice and tall, pressing your knees to the floor. And then nose to toes. Release. Let's go. So now, it may seem a little redundant, like we're doing a lot of basic hamstring stretch, but when you change the tip in your pelvic bone, you change how that stretch works. So same but different. Incorporating both arms. Nice. All right, so from here, we're gonna take the left foot, bring it over the right knee, give yourself a nice big hug. Pulling that knee into the chest, feeling it in the left glute. And from here, we're gonna take the left foot into the left hand, swing that leg all the way around back. So we're getting a little bit of the left hip flexor, a little bit of the right glute. Once you get into position, drop your head. I'll rotate a little so you can see what I'm talking about. There you go. Then from here, we drop the left foot, collapse over the right, reaching both arms out in front so that only your palms are touching, elbows are suspended. Shoot the head through. And release. From here, extend the left one more time. Now we're gonna take the right, we're gonna tuck that back. Make sure that you're getting your foot under as well so you get a little bit of ankle mobility. And then again, both hands down. Release. Now we're gonna open up through the front side, get that right hip flexor, eventually working both elbows down to the floor. And release. So now we get the opposite side, extend the right, left comes to center, and both hands down. Release. So now again, we bring that right foot over the left knee, give yourself a nice big hug. And then from here, so again, right foot, right hand, swing that knee around. Once you get into position, drop the head so you get a nice little stretch through the traps. Drop the right, collapse over left, reaching the arms out in front. Then we release, extend the right, take the left, tuck it back, down to right. So as you get used to this routine, it should take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes when you're holding for about 30 seconds. Open it up. Now from here, all we're gonna do is plant the feet, reach it through. Use your elbows, push the knees wide so we get a stretch through the groin. Make sure that you have your heels down and drop that fanny as low as you can go. Then we're gonna take the right arm up, rotating around thoracic spine. And then opposite side. All right, from here, we're gonna extend the legs. Let that trunk just hang. And we're gonna take to the left. And to the right. Now we're gonna take the right foot over the left. Pressing your feet, shouldn't say your feet, your heels into the ground, pushing your hips back. And then opposite side, left over right. Bring it to center, soften your knees, roll it up. And that's about it. It's a good start. Hope you enjoy.